TS4. Right now we have the Akeeyo Hardwire kit here. This is how it looks, and SRI's power hardware kit there for parking modes. So this is the box, the connection to go on the camera, USB-C, and the wires hook up to power and stuff here. We see stable power output, parking guard signal, vehicle battery protection. So the box did see to get a little rough up there, but I don't think the inside anything get damage on it there. So we get it. So it comes with a tiny manual here, which upside down. So this is the manual for it. Could we see anything here? Oh, this is the blind type of manuals that is in here. So you could barely see anything there because of how tiny the words are, and the camera doesn't want to focus there. But it's in two languages, English and Chinese, I believe there. These are the connections for the back, power, ground, and the accessory wire. That's code. Oh, then too bad. This is the box here where you could adjust the settings and stuff. Would it focus here, boy? She pressing the focus, but for some reason it doesn't want to focus on these small letters there. This camera isn't that hot up when it comes to camera itself, so that's why you find you're not going to see everything. But it goes from 11, I think 11.8 or something like that, straight to the 12 volts up here. See, zoom up a little bit there, see if we could get it here. Alright, so we get it there with the zoom. So 11.8 here, 12, 12.2, 12.4, and if it's I think a 48 volt battery, I'm after a 48, a 24 volt battery. This is the settings right there. So basically not the same lining. I have it straight down to the 11.8, is this one, and if you had a 24 volts it would be 23.6. 23.6 or 23.8? 23.6. We get the full rundown here, so it could output the 12 or 24 volts according to your vehicle. Showing you the colors and what you're doing there, the model right there. Next side is have a tape to stick down. It does have a long cable here, so go back out. A long cable, so you could reach from under the dash to the screen, so you could get to see what's going on. So I don't think you have any issue with this here. It's only this part gotta be more closer to your power source and easy accessible in case you want to change the voltage high up. Next minute you set to the lowest, and then when you come to start a day, it's not starting. So if you want to create a little high up, you could. Yeah, that's it. The Akeeyo Hardwire kits. I believe these Hardwire kits could work on other vehicles and other cameras and stuff. Other cameras as well, so it don't have to be the same camera. It could also work on different cameras too. I just had the Akeeyo branded camera, so I just buy the Akeeyo one time as they make it. Some companies doesn't have it. So that's it. Video ain't that long. Don't really have much to talk about in this box. I don't know when I'll get some time to get it installed, but hopefully this week how you to get to put it in. That's it. TS4 out.